awake again. Words we meant to say in love turned into silence we can't defend. But even when our hearts feel heavy and hope seems far away, you are the God who steps into broken things and breathes life again. What we can't fix with our hands, you restore with your grace. Where the world has left a wound, you heal the deepest place.